Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube. My name is Nur Muhammad from NMWatch, and we are back with another double not unboxing, unrevealing of a watch that I need, what should we call this segment? On loan from a bro, right? So on loan from a bro watches, right? So this time around I've got two watches from my buddy Mr. Imran, aka at Gila dash was it underscore jam on Instagram. Of course, I will be putting the the Instagram profile here. And yeah, thank you very much, buddy, for loaning me these two watches. So if you guys want to know what they are, stay tuned and let's cue the intro. Alright guys, so we are back with the unveiling of two watches from Imran at gila-jam on Instagram. So yep, these are the two watches that I borrowed from him. So the on my left, on the blue corner, was it in the blue corner? I think someone corrected me on that on that phrase. In the blue corner, we have the Seiko Presage Sharp Edge, and in the red corner we have the Tissot PRX Quartz. Is this white or is this silver? Very light silver. I'm not really sure, but yeah, let's talk about the Sharp Edge first, right? So this is a series of I honestly can't remember the model number right now. So of course I will do a research and tell you guys, and just leave a description down here. When they released this one, the most mesmerizing details is of course that particular dial, right? So that is really awesome dial. I'm not really sure how to call this dial. What do we call this? Definitely not. You know what? I'm just gonna do my research later on, right? So let's just confirm the dimensions. This one should have a 39 millimeters, I think, right? 39 millimeters in diameter, and a thickness of just 11.5 millimeters, and a lug to lug of about, that will be about, oopsie, right, 47 millimeters, which supposed to be a nice size, but the effective lug to lug is about 50 millimeters, so that makes it feels and look a bit bigger. And of course the big dial really makes it a whole lot bigger in my opinion. And we have the crown at about 7, oopsie, oh my god, yeah, 7 millimeters. And let's check the weight on this particular. I think I didn't take off any links because I don't really want to mark up the setting on this part, on this piece. So that is about 142 grams, right? So, and of course it has that 6R35 movement, which has a 70 hours of power reserve. So this is an upgrade from the 6R15 movement, right? So, and along with the upgrade, of course, they upgraded all the price as well, which is, I don't know guys, this one like what, $700 to $800, which is a bit steep for me, because I don't really, if I am to buy a $700 or $800 worth of watch, I'd go Swiss. So that's just me. Alright, so anyway, I've been wanting to check out these watches for quite some time, and yeah, now is a good thing because I finally managed to get it, right? So of course the major attraction of this particular piece is that dial, right? So of course I'm gonna be doing the research on what do they call this pattern. And we have applied indices, which is very cool, and we have a sliver of lume on the top side of this applied indices, which is not that great, I think. And we have the, is it color match? It looks like in black, but in some angle it looks like in blue. Maybe they color match it, I'm not really sure, but yeah, and yeah, it's nice size, right? So of course we have this frame dead window, which looks very nice, and we have this, what do you call this, sword hands, or definitely not dolphin hand, was it, or do we call it dolphin hands? But either way, oops, sorry, I've hit the camera again. So we have this multiple finishing hands on the our hands, and also minute hands, which is very cool. And finally we have a signed crown, right? Signed crown, which is, every time I see a Seiko, I just wish that they have a signed crown. Anyway, so we have this beautifully done, very angular case polish finishing on the side, brush finishing on the top, and on the bracelet we have this multiple finishing as well. And if you can see that the steel color on the Seiko is a bit darker. That is because this one is using a Seiko what do you call it, that coating thingy. Sorry guys, I can't really remember right now, my brain is just not functioning. And also, but they have this coating to make sure that they won't scratch, and when you feel it, when you run through your fingers on the bracelet and also on the case, you know that there is a coating on this particular piece, right? So I think even Imran himself never managed to get any scratch on this particular piece, which is very, very cool. Right, so that is watch number 1. Oh, of course we have to talk about this middle class with this super annoying 2 micro adjust plug buckle. What the, I don't know guys, dude, we are spending like what, $800 for this, and you give us just 2 micro adjust. Come on Seiko, you guys can do better than that. And the bracelet, it's beautiful, but it has that, you see that there's no split pins here, and there's no split spin over there, and there's no screw system. So it is using a push through pin with a big collar in the middle, which is super duper annoying to resize. So yeah, I don't mind. I'm not gonna muck about this setting, this bracelet setting, so I'm just gonna be leaving it at that. Right, so you know what, let's just put it on the wrist and do a quick wrist swatch check. Today I'm wearing my Sanmartin SN0023, a direct homage of this Tissot PRX, right? So let's just put the Seiko sharp edge on my wrist and see how it looks like, right? So let's just put it on. Yep, so very, very nice. It looks big guys, so it looks big. Although the size is 39mm, the dial is big, and it looks big, and it feels big on the wrist because of this angular case, and of course because of that male and nick. But yeah, I still think I can pull this off. But what about you guys, right? So you know what, let's just compare it with the Sanmartin. Yeah, I think that the Sanmartin, I don't know guys, it looks like almost similar. So this one definitely looks big, although this one is 40mm in diameter, right? So let's just put the Seiko away, and let's talk a bit more about the Tissot PRX Quartz, right? So you know what, I bought this watch because I wanted to feel how a Tissot Powermatic AT would feel on my wrist, and now I have the answer. And as a comparison, of course I will be doing a comparison video comparing these two, right? So the Sanmartin and also the Tissot PRX, the Quartz version. And this is one hell of a watch, because I can tell you guys right off the bat, the finishing on this bracelet is awesome. It is superb. It feels smooth, you don't feel any rough edges here, versus that one that feels a whole lot rougher, right? So this is a much better finish product in my opinion, although the price are almost similar. But shame it has this that what do you call that, F06 movement from ETA, so which is a good movement, by the way, a good quartz movement. But yeah, still I would prefer the automatic version any time of day, right? So anyway, nice finishing here, brush finishing on the top, again brush finishing on the side with a Tissot sign crown here. I believe this is not a that's definitely not a screw down crown. And we have an applied rose gold color indice, which is very, very cool in my opinion. And we have that date wheel, which is in white. Applied indices, although we do have some lume, but the lume is not that great. We will do a lume check later on. And of course sapphire crystal. You know what, I totally forgot to check the sapphire crystal, right? So yep, that's definitely sapphire. Let's check the, yep, that is also definitely sapphire. And at the back, oh, okay, so we've got double sapphire, a sapphire sandwich on the Seiko. So yeah, that's good to know. All right, that's okay. So let's just confirm the dimension. The dimension on this particular quartz, 40mm. That's good. 10.6. That's good. The lug to lug is about 44.6. So that's good. And a effective lug to lug of about 51.8, right? So that is where the difference between this one and that one. So of course we will have a comparison later on. And we I think I took out 2 links from this one, and it weighs at about 123 grams, so that is good. Right, so at the back we have a very simple plain case back here mentioning all the specs. Sapphire crystal, the model number T something, can't really see because it's so damn small. Right, and we have what else? Tissot stainless steel, water resistance of, how much is it? Damn, I can't see. Oh, water resistance of 100 meters, so that is cool, that's nice. So a brush finishing here, so yeah, I prefer brush finishing any time of the day on the case back. And we have this very difficult to use quick release pins, so should you want to swap out the bracelet for a an aftermarket or even Tissot strap as well, right? So let's put this on my 6.75 inch wrist or 17 centimeters, right? So we have this butterfly class, very nice, lightweight, 125 grams, definitely much more comfortable compared to that one. But yeah, still full review or comparison review coming soon. Tissot 1853 at the butterfly class, and we have this just a friction style, right? So friction style butterfly class, so with that very effective, simple to use split pin design, right? So I just like this split pin design, right? So before we completely forgot, let's just do a quick loom check since we have all of this here, and let's just give them a quick charge, and let's shut off the light. So let me bring in my UV torch and see how do they glow in the dark. So are you guys ready? Are you guys loom ready? So 3, 2, 1, and boom, right off the bat. So you know that you will see that the Sanmartin definitely kills off the Tissot. Oh my god, that is absolute horrible loom from Tissot. Come on, man, you guys are charging this much and you give us this loom, huh? Right, so yep. Come on, I really wanted to like the Tissot, but the Seiko, what about the Seiko? I think that's a touch better compared to the Sanmartin. I just wish they put more loom on the indices, our indices, guys. So don't you guys think so? I really love my watches with loom, but yeah, still not that bad, right? So anyway, so this is just a quick look at these two awesome watches from Tissot and also from Seiko. I hope you guys enjoy my simple review, and of course if you guys have any questions whatsoever regarding these two watches, so please do let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon, stay safe and bye bye.